What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. I wanted to make a video for you guys showing how I do my injection of 80 milligrams per week, which I break up into 2 injections of 40 milligrams each. I do one on Tuesday and I do the other on Friday. So I'll start by swabbing the top of the vial just because I want all surfaces that the needle touches to be clean. And it's important to inject air into the vial because if you don't, you will create a vacuum. So that's what I'm doing there. And then that helps because this stuff is really thick and oily. As you see, testosterone cypionate is in a carrier oil. And so that's why I do that. Now, I have to pull back really far. So you see I've got that big spot of air right there. And I have to get that out. Sometimes I can do it first try. Other times that bubble sticks. And so I have to give it a little flickety flick like I'm doing right there. And then there we go. We got it all the way out. Now, I'm going to pause right here because some of you are confused about dosage amounts, aren't you? Well, that's okay. I've made a video just for you and it's right up there. And you can click there and find that. And I think it'll help you. It's helped a lot of people. Well, when I'm done, now it's time to inject, but I've got to apply a filter to this next spot because I got flagged on a video in the past doing this, so that's why my skin looks all weird and green right here. This is a deltoid injection. In the past, I would just inject really quickly. I've learned that if I just inject slowly, it actually helps because sometimes I hit a funky spot and I don't want to inject there, and then I can abort mission and inject in a different place. Since I'm using a smaller syringe, I've sped this up because it takes a little while to push this all in. When I'm done, I'll hold it there for about 10 seconds to give the testosterone cypionate a little bit of time to absorb. Then I use the other half of that alcohol prep pad that I left in so that it wouldn't evaporate. And then I'm all done. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to hear them. Tell me also how you inject. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace.